back and enjoy these astonishing videos of natural disasters from around the world. In this video, you'll witness rare moments you've never seen before. Please hit the like button and watch the video until the end to see what unfolds. A tornado touched down very close to Madill, Oklahoma on April 22nd. It swept up debris and trees into the air before transitioning to a roping stage. Oh my God, it blew off the roof of a factory. Very dangerous.
That looks like it is, man. What to do? I'm just here for some training.
Hurricane Ida made landfall in the U.S. with wind gusts up to 150 miles per hour, bringing devastating floods that made it extremely difficult for residents to move around. The storm wreaked havoc on infrastructure in the city, causing widespread power outages and serious aftermath. Hurricane Beryl is hitting Texas with super strong winds and massive rainfall. The result is streets turned into scenes of desolation, with large trees strewn across the road. This horrific storm also caused power outages for over 3 million homes. On April 22nd, a tornado appeared very close to Madill, Oklahoma. This tornado swept up debris and trees into the air before transitioning to a roping stage. Unbelievably, it blew off the roof of a factory. Very dangerous. On May 21st, Zlatibor experienced a hailstorm. Initially, small hailstones fell, but they quickly grew in size and number, accompanied by strong winds, creating loud pinging sounds on his car's windshield. If this hailstorm continues, the car's windshield may not withstand the pressure and could break.
Oh my God!
Lightning just struck very close to the camera. Lightning bolts continued to strike the area, making it difficult for the man to capture the wrath of nature. These lightning bolts could hit him at any moment. Very dangerous. The sky darkened, signaling the approaching rain. The strong winds shook even the traffic lights. In less than a minute, the rain became heavy, turning into a major storm. The rain became increasingly heavy. The wind blew strongly, making it difficult for me to see the scenery on the street. Very dangerous. A hailstorm poured down on Brisbane. As the storm began, someone commented that they looked like snowflakes. But as the hailstorm grew, more hailstones fell, some as big as apples. It's dangerous if they hit people. The sky turned gray as if darkness was enveloping everything. Large hailstorms relentlessly poured down, seemingly wanting to destroy everything. Dim light like tears under the rain, creating a horrifying yet mesmerizing picture of the storm. A hailstorm wreaked havoc in Fortitude Valley, Brisbane, with large hailstones and strong winds, creating tremendous power. The streets began to turn into ice rivers, creating a terrifying scene. Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and comment on what you think of these amazing and crazy moments.
I think.
The wild hailstorm in Fortitude Valley, Brisbane, with large hailstones accompanied by strong winds, has unleashed tremendous force. Streets have turned into rivers of ice, creating a scene of immense fear and devastation. On December 16th in Merimbula, Australia, a hailstorm accompanied by strong gusts of wind appeared. Hailstones fell to the ground with powerful force and shattered, creating a dramatic scene. Everyone looked up at the sky, facing the ferocity of nature. The fierce wind sucked everything in its path, causing trees to bend and sway. The rain poured down like fierce rivers in the sky, pouring heavily onto the ground. Dim light like tears under the rain, creating a dark and dramatic yet enchanting scene of the storm. A crazy hailstorm hit the front yard of his house, terrifyingly strong winds carrying a large rainstorm, creating a scene of total whiteness in front of him. The visibility of passers-by was significantly reduced, making everything extremely terrifying. The fierce winds followed each other, accompanied by torrential rain as if to wash away all life on Earth. Lightning strikes with thunderous roars, signaling the arrival of the storm. The storm came, bringing with it the ferocity and devastation of nature. A thunderstorm struck fiercely in Johnson, Kansas. Lightning strikes continued, illuminating the night sky brightly, accompanied by thunderous roars.
Dropping almost 3 and 4 at the same time in some places.
On June 30th in Vegas, what seemed like a normal rain suddenly became intense as the wind began to blow harder, creating a scene of total whiteness. Hailstones appeared, more and more falling straight from the sky to the ground, astonishing and worrying people. On August 10th in Minneapolis, lightning flashes struck repeatedly, hitting the ground directly, accompanied by thunderous roars, creating a truly frightening scene. It seemed to signal that a major rainstorm was about to occur. Look, the strong wind has blown the entire roof off, turning everything into rubble. When nature is angry, there's nothing that can resist it. The beach looked peaceful until the strong winds pulled in, swirling in circles and creating a waterspout. Although they look harmless, you should still be careful when you see them. A scene recorded a thunderstorm near Hudson, Florida on July 23rd, unexpectedly lighting up the bright sky. Lightning strikes continued to strike the sea, creating a majestic and impressive scene. Oh my God, this storm is absolutely terrifying. The wind is so strong that it blew away a large box, and the trees are shaking violently. Heavy rain is pouring down, creating a whiteout that obscures everything around. It's absolutely crazy.
Quick. We're now in the eye. Oh my gosh. Look at the Gulf of Mexico coming in.
The image captures a tornado appearing in western Minnesota on August 7, 2010, sped up 16 times. The tornado looks terrifying at this moment, resembling a monster advancing toward civilization, ready to sweep away everything in its path. Look over there, is it true? The sky was serene and blue, then suddenly a pitch-black monster appeared. Yes, it's a massive tornado, truly terrifying to behold.
Bump up the road here. Holy shit. Amazing.
Do you see that in the distance? It's like a giant vacuum hose. More precisely, it's a tornado, looking absolutely wild and bizarre. The strong wind swirls around, sucking in the dark, swirling clouds nearby, forming a gigantic funnel.
want to chase it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
So green.
Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and comment on what you think of these amazing and crazy moments. On May 31st, 2023 in Alberta, Canada, a tornado appeared on land, truly astounding and captured on camera. It was huge and colossal like a python, twisting in the sky. Dark, ominous clouds gathered, and I thought a storm was about to unleash. But look, along with strong swirling winds, a gigantic tornado formed. The tornado seemed to want to engulf everything, truly terrifying to behold. Oh my God, how fortunate to capture such supernatural moments. In Alberta, Canada, a colossal dust tornado appeared, resembling a gateway to hell. Truly terrifying. Can you hear that? A fire truck just raced past. What happened because of that tornado? It's really worrying and scary. The wind is so strong it blew the umbrella far away. Hail is starting to pour down, turning the backyard into a chaotic scene. It's terrifying. Hailstones are falling rapidly, covering the entire yard in white. The wind is blowing so fiercely that tree leaves are flying everywhere, creating a scene of chaos and horror.
It was a beautiful day! Look at the size! Look at the street, babe! Look at where are you driving? Go home!
No, I'm not.
Oh my God, a lightning bolt just struck right in front of this man. That's insane.
Don't go outside.
That is a pigeon? I don't know.
On June 12, 2022, some incredibly intense storms occurred, and the local residents were caught in a hailstorm caused by strong winds, with hailstones measuring about 1.8 inches in size. A gray car parked nearby to seek shelter from the rain was swept away by the wind, and the hailstones smashed through its windows, shattering them completely. The strong wind and heavy rain showed no signs of stopping, creating a truly terrifying scene.
Nasty storm in there again.
The man dared not move as he saw the tornado approaching nearby. Oh my God. In just a few seconds, the tornado swept through and demolished an entire factory, turning it into a pile of ruins. The power of the tornado was truly terrifying and horrifying. A tornado was recorded over a field in Colorado. Despite its terrifying destruction, This scene resembled a painting with the tornado twisting across the field, creating a striking and mystical image. The match was interrupted when a sudden tornado appeared and swept across the football field. Players watched from a distance as the tornado passed through, and naturally, no one dared to approach due to the choking dust it kicked up. On June 8th, a massive dust tornado was captured on video appearing in a field near a highway in Arizona City, Arizona, USA. This large dust tornado had a considerable diameter and moved at a fairly high speed. The swirling dust vortex, towering tens of meters high, terrified many witnesses who saw it. On June 17, 2014, a massive tornado appeared in Hartington, Coleridge, and Laurel, Nebraska. This large tornado is believed to have formed from the merging of multiple smaller tornadoes. You could hear the sound of them, resembling the roar of a waterfall, creating a scene both magnificent and terrifying. The sky was dark gray, and strong winds howled, accompanied by thunderclaps that boomed across the sky. Lightning bolts flashed and shot straight down from the heavens, striking the ground continuously, creating a truly frightening spectacle. And there are many other interesting moments as well. Please stay and watch our next videos. A heavy rainstorm poured down on Tokyo on July 6th. Dark, ominous clouds gathered, followed by strong winds and thunderous roars. Large lightning bolts streaked down, intermittently illuminating the sky. It seems this rainstorm will be quite severe.
God, that roar!
Oh wow, a huge tornado just appeared in the sky. It looks like it might dissipate, but no, it's continuing to swirl and is heading straight for the ground. What a crazy tornado.
Roar! Violent tornado here! That's violent! Are you? Hello?
This is a clear demonstration of the immense power and ferocity of nature. We need to be conscious of protecting the environment and effectively responding to natural disasters. Never underestimate the power of Mother Nature. Oh my God, a dust tornado is coming towards me. This man is crazy. He just ran right through it. It's incredible and dangerous. Unbelievable. We witnessed and recorded images of a dust devil at very close range. It seemed to suck up all the dust in the area and swirl it into the sky. Look at that. It's moving at an incredible speed and sweeping through the industrial area. Hopefully everyone there will stay safe.
Whoa.
Oh my God. The wind is so strong that it blew the roof into pieces. And it didn't stop there. Another roof flew and smashed into that house. It's truly terrifying.
Oh, a lot of insulation flying by. Whoa. Wow. Oh no. Yeah, I'll say. Whoa, man. Oh, man. Goodness. Oh! Whoa!
The sky is overcast and powerful winds are sweeping in, blowing everything in their path. Look, even the tree branches can't withstand this fierce wind. They are falling and lying across the road. It's heartbreaking.
Oye, vámonos. Chingue su madre, si bien soy yo casas. Métase al baño. Métase al baño, métase allá al closet. Dios mío, que Dios nos cuide, Silvia.
At first, I thought it was just a regular rainstorm with strong winds, but I was wrong. It was a gigantic tornado coming our way. Its power is terrifying. Do you see it? It's carrying debris that looks like someone's roof. As it swept through here, my window panes shattered completely. It's horrifying.
Maybe duck down. Ridiculous. Oh, that is scary. Holy smokes. Oh, that's crazy.
The tornado seemed to be on a rampage, moving at an extremely fast pace, trying to destroy every house in its path. Debris flew all over the sky, creating a horrifying spectacle. Thank you for staying with us throughout this incredible journey. We'd love to hear which moment resonated with you the most. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. See you in the next video.